Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an application error that says this application requires .NET Framework 2.0, but you might have newer versions installed. So it says .NET Framework 4.7 or 4.8, or a later update is already installed on this computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu search. So click the little search icon and type in Windows Features. Best result should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to locate .NET Framework 3.5, includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Click the little plus sign, and then you want to check mark all these options in here. So make sure they're all check marked. And then select OK. And select Let Windows Update download the files for you. So once that's done, you can just close out of everything, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.